All right, I'm going to show you one more fun Blooket that you can assign for homework. So I'm going to click host. And this time, we really like cafe, we really like factory, racing, and classic. Those are pretty self-explanatory, but let's look at this one, the Tower of Doom. Okay, so this one you can only assign as homework. Again, we're just using this as practice, so I can change the title, days, remember I can put it out 7 days, that's up to you, but I'm just showing you right now. So I'm going to click assign now, just because I want to show you what it looks like. Again, I can just share the code. I find it easiest, share the link. Okay, so I'm going to join as a student, all right, and show you what it looks like. I just want to remind you, if you do join, if you click settings and if you click add a refer, if you would please enter my name like this, Mrs. Jenkins, I would greatly appreciate it. No period, no space. All right, so here we are in the homework version. Okay, and we are going to new game. Okay, so we'll do this. All right, let's just start a new game. All right, so no, I don't want a tutorial. So I'm going to click this. I just want to get some right answers. Now, pick a card. It shows you what they are, so I can choose the one I want. So I'm going to pick this one, and I just want to get some right answers. Here again, I'm shown what they are, so I'm going to pick this one and get some right answers. Again, picking cards. I'll do this one, this one says it's rare. I like that one. And here. All right, so now I get to pick a highlighted location. All right, so here. All right, so choose an attribute on your card. All right, I like strength. I win. Okay, I battled against this random person that I picked. Okay, and here we go. I'll pick charisma this time. Ooh, I definitely won that one. Okay. And let's see. Here we go. Let's click wisdom. Ooh, okay, so I win again. And these are all common, but I'll pick this one. Now I choose another highlighted location. All right, so I'm going to keep going like this and try and move up. My students really enjoy it, just adding a little bit of fun to some review.